All right, I just pulled the camera out. I did not sleep last night. I'm on Substack now, okay? And life is so crazy right now. I'm just trying to figure this out, and I'm just playing around. I just put up like a test post because I'm trying to launch a little like Monday motivation thing. So if you are interested in getting a little motivation Monday pep talks, real talk with me, it's gonna be like a little voice note from your bestie kind of vibe, and they're gonna be short and sweet. I'm gonna try and keep them under like literally 5 minutes, just like hi and bye, some good vibes, have a great week, love you. So that is the vibe. But I just wanted to come on and start documenting my journey with Substack. I'm so fascinated by this, and I was so intrigued by this because I used to have a vlog. Obviously, I have a vlog. I used to have a blog where I would just write and all the things, and it was just like a creative outlet. And so that's what really intrigued me about Substack, because when I first heard about it, I was like, oh, not another social media platform. Do not tell me I need to be here too. Sorry. I'm like, I don't know, I'm all over the place. I do also realize that I'm like blending in. I'm a floating head because my shirt matches everything around me. So right now on my Substack, I've posted 2 posts because like I'm officially launching on Monday. It is Saturday right now. So I've just like spent some of this weekend just writing some posts, just getting back into the writing vibe that I love so much. I'm just so excited. Like I feel so excited, and I needed this more than I knew right now. Life is testing me. So being able to put my focus into this right now is just a blessing in disguise. Well, I don't think it's in disguise. It's just a blessing. Did I mention I barely slept last night? Okay. So yeah, I've done 2 posts on Substack. Haven't shared on any of my socials. This is the first time I'm even creating anything talking about Substack. And my first post has 8 views, and my second post has 5 views. And I posted that like a couple hours ago. When did I post that? I don't remember. It wasn't long ago when I posted it. Yeah, like the fact that they're already getting views, it's really cool. I don't know. I didn't expect that. And the fact that you can see it, like, you know, like when you put a post up on Instagram and you can see like 10 people viewed this. Like it's like that. And it's just, I never got that from my blog. You know, I never got to know like, oh, is someone reading it? Well, I don't know. There probably were stats. This was a long time ago now, you know? But like I could see like if people liked it and stuff, but like it's really cool to see the open rates and all that kind of stuff, because it's like a blend. If you don't know what Substack is, by the way, it's like if an email newsletter had a baby with a blog. And I've been really wanting to start an email newsletter. I started the first stages, like signing up on like a host website to do an email newsletter. But this just makes it so much more approachable, especially if you are someone like me that likes blogging and like writing. And I find it so funny that like we call it writing, even though like it's on a computer. Like, you know, and there's a whole generation that like hasn't like grown up writing. Like, you know, like you used to write notes to your friends. Like they just write texts and memes and stuff. You know what I mean? They never had that experience of like writing a note to your friend in school and like passing it. Like it's just, anyway, I'm going off on a tangent. But all this to say is I'm going to start tracking my Substack journey. I'm going to see, it is January 18th. Let's see where things are in a month. I wish that I tracked my YouTube journey like this so I could have it to look back on. So yeah, I'm just excited. I'm excited to have the creative outlet. I have no expectations with Substack. I'm just genuinely going to use it to write and to be creative, and to really cross promote my YouTube channel and my YouTube videos. So my Substack themes, like things I'm going to be talking about, are going to be very aligned with what I talk about on YouTube, but maybe go into a little deeper of the personal stories behind it. And I'm also going to use it to talk about more personal stories. So there's like a free feature and a paid feature, and I'm planning to like really flush all that out as time passes. But maybe like once I grow a little community down the line, I'm thinking maybe Q&As and doing maybe like mini challenges. It really depends. If it evolves, I could have 0 people following me in a year from now. So we'll see. I'm going to see where this ends up at the end of 2025. 2025, that's so crazy to say. But yeah, I just wanted to make this video to share that I am now on Substack, people, okay? So if you are a fan of my content or a fan of personal growth, like I like to say that my content's like a mixture of adventure meets personal growth. I have big plans to do more solo adventures on this channel, so I'm really excited about that. But if you are someone that, you know, maybe you like little like voice notes from friends, or like you just need that little motivational boost, it's like having me in your pocket on a Monday to just be like, hey bestie, do your thing. Anyway, I'm exhausted, okay? Life has been so crazy. But yeah, we are starting on Substack. I feel like I need to go change this color so I can have some contrast in this photo so that I can do like a quick little thumbnail pose and maybe not look like I'm half asleep. So yeah, feel free to follow along on my Substack journey. I don't know when I'll post updates, but it will probably be on YouTube because that probably makes the most sense. Feel free to follow along on my Substack journey, and yeah, check out my couple of posts that I have up there. And if you want to subscribe, I would love to have you there. If you change your mind and it's not your vibe down the line, it's a free subscription. You get to unsubscribe if it's not your vibe. But give me a free trial, okay? Come on. Give me like a week and a half. Give me a week and a half and then decide, okay? Decide if I'm not for you. But yeah, I'm excited. I would appreciate your support, and if you are interested, I will drop the details in the description where you can go and check it out and subscribe, or just go read my things. Go read my things. All right. I am delusional. Go me. I did it. I didn't just write it down on my goals list and not take any action. We are doing the things in 2025. Let this be the reminder that nothing changes if nothing changes. Good morning, it is January 21st and I got my first subscriber on Substack. It feels so wild. Like I hadn't even shared it on any of my other socials, so I'm pretty sure that just came organically through the Substack platform, which is really exciting and gives me a little bit of hope. I know it's only one, but I'm a big believer in like celebrating all the small wins along the way. And I just feel excited because I wish that I had documented my YouTube journey this way. You're never going to get those early stages back. You're never going to get your first subscriber again. You're never going to get that first 10, the first 20. You're never going to get the first comment. Like all those first, I wish that I had that documented for my YouTube journey because I am a YouTube girly and I love my YouTube. Substack is just a platform that I get to express myself in a different creative way. I've already started writing some short stories and it's bringing back like my Tumblr days and my blogging days and like back when I used to like write fanfics for my friends back in like middle school. Oh man, it's just bringing back all the memories, but it's been a really good like emotional outlet for me right now. And I think I'm going to be posting a newsletter or a short story or a lesson or something every other week just so I can manage it around YouTube and all that, so I can find my feet. I don't want it to be too overwhelming so that I can be consistent with it because I really want to challenge myself to see what I can do with this in 1 year and like what it can grow into. And I have zero expectations. I'm just excited. I will be documenting it here on YouTube as well, so feel free to subscribe if you're not already. Yeah, and I don't know. I'm just excited. Okay, well, that's the update for now. I'll see you in the next one.